We'll guide you through how to integrate Mailchimp with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. You'll be prompted to choose your trigger app. In this case, search for and select Mailchimp. Next, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier. So click on Connect an Account and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zapier to access your Mailchimp data. It's important to ensure that you allow all necessary permissions so that Zapier can read and write data as needed. Once connected, choose the specific Mailchimp trigger event you want, like New Subscriber Added. Then click Continue. After setting up your trigger, you'll move on to selecting an action app. Here, you can choose another platform like Google Sheets, Slack, or any app that fits your workflow. Let's say you choose Google Sheets. Connect your Google account to Zapier and select the action you want, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Zapier will guide you through mapping the data from Mailchimp to the corresponding fields in your Google Sheets. This means you'll be able to specify which Mailchimp data goes into which column in your spreadsheet. After you've set everything up, click Test and Continue to ensure that your Zap works as expected. If everything looks good, name your Zap and turn it on. Your integration is now live, and data will automatically flow from Mailchimp to your chosen app whenever the trigger event occurs. Remember, you can always go back and edit your Zap if you need to make changes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.